really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In this city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
So check this out. So this is just kind of random Chongqing, right? And then you got some cool murals like that. And then this one just goes up into the hills, and there's like steps that goes up into that little space, and there's people in there, of course. And then you got apartments way up there. It's kind of cool stuff everywhere. So what we're gonna do is and you got a skyline way over there in the distance. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start here, and then we're gonna go up this road over that direction, and I do a new thing for Chongqing, new street. Show you what it looks like a little bit. Hey, Chongqing, China, mainland China. Always cool, always tough to do. So this one, we're gonna show you exactly where we are. We're kind of meandering around, but we're still in the peninsula. You can see that on the map anyways. And basically what we're gonna be doing is showing you more of Chongqing. This is video number 31 of 39. So in case you haven't been following, I've been uploading stuff since 2024 actually. And so there's 39 in the set, and I only got 7 left. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see more Chongqing videos. And I guess I also got some lyrics, so put the lyrics up there. Now you can see what that's all about. And I created the song with AI, but I don't think you're interested in any of that. You're interested to see it as if you were there yourself. So I'm gonna take you on the walk and talk with the camera. And come on, let's go, let's do it. Chongqing, number 32 of 39. Yeah, it's funny, there's even like a guide rail up at the top of this little mountain thing. And you got musical notes. It's like a kitchen. All kinds of interesting stuff, so you just don't really know what you're gonna get. So yeah, Chongqing. So we're gonna and then way over there is the skyline. So there's a river. I just saw a train go by as well. So there's a river straight ahead with a beautiful skyline of tall buildings over on the other side. And right now we're on a kind of a major road, so we're gonna walk down this road. So it starts down that way, and Renmin Road is down that way, but we're gonna be walking up this way. And just kind of give you a feeling for what it all looks like. I guess that little street we were at was called Zhuangyi Da Sha. Blue up there. Got lots of, there's a hat store. Lawson. People eating some noodles in the Lawson right there. It's so Japan-like style. You can see this one has that actually looks like it's a bit too busy. But I bet it's busy for a reason, because it's probably really good. So we're gonna keep on walking up the street, and then I'll label it accordingly in a moment. Man, it's got cool stuff everywhere. Yeah, I love the city. Let me see, emergency shelter. So I think that could be for two reasons. One is flooding, but I don't think the flooding would go this high that I'm aware of. And number two would be earthquakes. So that is a possibility for Chengdu especially, and I think it's a possibility here as well. Got some nice restaurants in here. Sichuan food. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down. So a lot of activity everywhere in Chongqing, as you'd expect for a city with over 25 million people. One of the biggest populated city, one of the most populated cities in the world. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going down. Looks like you can even take steps to go up into the hills a little bit. I'll take a look at that in a moment. We're gonna do a little bit of a 360 as soon as the people go by. So way up there we have those phone lines. So I guess that's just an overpass right there. So that would be to get over to the other side, which is good for traffic. It kind of makes traffic flow smoothly. I like the bamboo. A lot of these electrical, they paint like little bamboo things. I think it's like really pretty, and it's like nice, easy strokes to make it look kind of cool. We'll see if we see more bamboo themes on the electrical. I guess, I don't know, did school just get out or something? Seems like I'm seeing more like school kind of stuff. I guess it must be. So here's another kind of bamboo, but also maybe some other items too. So we're gonna keep on going down. The streets that go up. But we're gonna keep on going down this way. And I don't even know if we're still on our same road or not. Did we see the street sign? So I think this is a giant, I know what this is, apartments? I think that's the street that we're on right there, Beiqu Lu. So that's where we're at, Beiqu Lu. And I think we're gonna just keep on walking up Beiqu Lu, if it's possible. I have a feeling it's gonna be some kind of Chongqing thing where you go up or down, which looks like to be the case. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna be going down. And so, yeah, actually they're going up, so I guess it can go up or down. Seems kind of highly illegal, but I guess that's what they're doing. So we're gonna go down and we're gonna follow them as well. And I think we're still in Beiqu Lu. Although I kind of wonder if I should have went down, because maybe I could navigate out of here and over there towards the waterfront, which is what I think I'm gonna do. So anyways, this is probably Beiqu Lu, and I think I'm gonna just end it as another little slice of Chongqing for you all. And on that note, hope you enjoyed it. Let me just go down. I guess I can't really conclude it until we get to the center part there. There's the electrical wires everywhere. I don't know if you can see that, but I guess it makes sense because you have to get them somewhere. And someday those will all be gone, right? With internet and everything like that. So now we're just kind of in this interesting spot. That's up there, the pedestrian area. And then I guess this one you can go down. And there's a toilet, of course. But we're gonna just go down, and I'm probably gonna end it. So I think we basically did maybe a slice of that street, Beiqu, and now we're coming out to wow, Wanghua Bridge and rail transit. So I think we're coming out to a big park. So I didn't expect that, but we'll give a conclusion once we get into the park and try to give a little bit of clarity or indication of where we are. And in the meanwhile, you have another little slice of the Chongqing experience for you. Huh. This is nice. I heard that Chongqing has a lot of parks, and now I can understand what that's all about, because we're definitely in it now. So yeah, we were up on that road, and now we're just kind of meandering underneath the traffic. It's kind of reference points. Okay, they're all going to a train station over there, so that's kind of good to know. Yeah, it's kind of beautiful. So I could actually go to that train station as well, but I think what I'm gonna do is just conclude, and then just kind of let you know that we were up on that road, then we came down, and now we're entered into this little park area, and there's a train line, and then rivers over on the other side, and I guess that's a good spot to end right there, I guess.
Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me.